See, we are giving permissions up to 10 p.m. After 10 p.m., if he is going to play the music, the action has to be taken by as per law. So whether it's the police acting on it or whether it's the environment department acting on it, whether there are regulations, other regulations, everybody will act. Tourism is giving permission for the event to be conducted within those dates and that particular time. Anything which they do not abide by will face action from the respective departments.
But they request, sir, till 12. They request.
आणि रिक्वेस्ट मागिल्लो 4 PM to 12 midnight दिवचो म्हणून. आमकां as per High Court or other guidelines also, and with the act we follow, it's still 10 PM and we will give only up to 10 PM.
तो टिकेटी पहिले सेल करून जाता सर हें आसा
ताणी कितें करतात ते टिकेटीचेर फाटल्यान सब्जेक्टीव क्लॉज घालतात.
जाता पण तो
ताजे सब्जेक्टीव क्लॉज घालतात की समज जालें ना आमी रिफंड दितले. मागीर इंग्लिशीचे वर्ड्स गुणान घालतात. So one is playing with the words, second is asking for it. Very importantly, they have to realize that they cannot every time make the government dance, and we are not here in a mood to dance as per their tunes.
So what is
आज ताणी जे मागताले, आज तुमकां तरी क्लॅरिटी आल्या आसतली की कितें परमिशन जाय आशिल्ली आनी कितें दिल्या ती.
So what he is doing? Is he playing with the words or is he playing with the government?
You all have to talk about it. He just gave a talk to you. तुका ताणी आत्तां हे दिला, give you a
minister
place.
answer to
A lot of complaints came from Goan artists last year in terms of the platform that they were supposed to be given, what they promised the government and what they were giving. हांव स्वता गेल्लो इनॉग्रेशनाक आनी इनॉग्रेशनाच्या मागीर I have given my displeasure at that same evening when I went for the inaugural of the Goan event, कित्याक ज्या तरेन तुमी तो इव्हेंट केला तो सारको ना म्हणून. इव्हेंट ऑलरेडी चालू जाल्लो. ह्या वर्साक मुद्दम हांवें I have ensured that we do not ask anything from their side. We want to see what they are doing. आम्ही मागप आणि ताणें तशें केलां. पूण तूं फुडल्या वर्सा तुमकां हांव कितें सांगता पळय जानेवारीन सारकी मॅसेज मेळटली. म्हणून तुका व्हेरी क्लियरली सांगलां, सनबर्न कॅनॉट डिसायड वॉट अँड डू वॉट दे वॉन्ट टू डू, अँड वी आर नॉट हियर इन अ मूड टू डान्स टू देअर ट्यून्स. ह्याच फोरमांतल्यान तुमकां हांव आनी एक मॅसेज दिता की फुडल्या वर्सा कोणाक इव्हेंट समज अशें करपाक जाय आनी जानेवारीन एप्लाय करचें. दे वील नॉट वेट अँड एज्यूम दॅट ओन्ली समबडी वील गेट परमिशन्स.